You don't have any reason to blow your account any longer. This is one of the best strategies to trade volatility 1x index on 5 minutes time frame and record massive consistent profits. So you need only one indicator, alligator indicator. That is the only indicator you need. Now with this strategy, you will know where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? Where to make your entry and where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? Now, before we proceed, let me show you how to set up the indicators. Let me show you how to set up the alligator indicator. Now, first of all, let me delete this current indicator. Now, this is what the naked chart. Now, first thing you need to do is to go to F. Now, click on F blocks. Now, for your alligator indicator to stay separate, you need to insert RSI first. Relative strength index, insert it first. Now this is relative strength index, insert it first. Now the second thing, under the indicator window 1, you click on F block sign. Now insert the alligator indicator. Here is what alligator indicator. Now here are what the settings for alligator indicator. Here are what the settings. You can write it down or you screenshot it. The jaw period 60, jaws shift 8. Tint period 10. Tint shift 0. Lip period 10. Lips shift 1. Method exponential. Apply to medium price. Now here what the styles. Jaw style, the color is blue. Tint style, the color is red. Lip style, the color is green. So that is all about the alligator indicator parameters. So once you are done setting it up this way, you click on done. Now the next thing is to delete the relative strength index. Click on delete. Now shake the relative strength index. All the only thing we need is alligator indicator. So you click on delete. So we are leaving with what? Only alligator indicator. Back to our charts. Now this is what our charts. Now pay attention. Let me explain to you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit. Like as I said, with this indicator, you will know where to place your stop loss and where to make your what entry. All right. Now on the indicator, on the alligator indicator section window, you see 3 lines: green, red, and blue. Now where the red and green line crosses the blue line, that is where you need to do what? Make your entry. Do you understand? Now if the crossing is from up downward, that is what? A clear sell signal. Do you understand? If the crossing of the red and green line is from up downward, in this case, look at the direction of the crossing. This is what? A clear sell signal. Do you understand? All right. Now where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. This is where the crossing occur here, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur here. So you need to do what? Make your sell entry there. So as you can see, now where to place your stop loss. If you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Now here is what? The previous lower high. So that is where you need to do what? Place your stop loss, and this is what? Massive profit, as easy as that. All right, let's proceed. You see, this is what? A lot of profits. You see where we started, see where we made our entry from the crossing, and it's still selling. Are you seeing it? It's still what? Selling. So this is the huge profit. Now this is what? A buy signal. This is the crossing. The crossing occur from down upwards. So this is what? A clear buy signal. So you buy where the crossing occur. You buy where the crossing occur from the side of alligator indicator. So this is where you need to buy where the crossing occur. Buy where the crossing occur. Now your stop loss should be, because you are buying now, your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. So this is where the crossing occur. You make your what? Entry here. So your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. So this is where you need to do what, place your stop loss, and this is what a huge profit. Don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. All right, let's proceed. So this see this small correction here. So make our entry here, and you do what, you record another profit. Make your entry here where the correction occur, and you record massive profits. Do you understand? All right, that's how you keep on. Look at this. This is Excel signal. This is what a clear sell signal. Are you seeing it? So you make your entry where the correction occur. This is where the correction occur here. So you make your sell entry. Make your sell entry here. So when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. So this is where the correction occur here. So this is where you need to do what, make your sell entry. Now your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. So this is what excess profit, as easy as that. So we proceed. You see, look at this. This is what huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is what huge profit. See, it's still selling. All right. Now this is a short profit here. You make your buy entry. Make your buy entry here. Your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. All right. So you make your sell entry here again and record the profits. So you make your buy entry here again. Make your buy entry here. Place your stop loss at the previous higher high, and this is what a lot of profit for you. To understand? You see, look at this. Look at this. This is where you make your entry. You make your buy entry. You made your buy entry at this point where the correction occur. You made the buy entry where the correction occur. So this is a huge profit for you. This is what a huge profit. Make your buy entry here. Then your stop loss at the previous higher high, and this is what excess profit. So let's see. Look at this profit here. You see, it's still buying. Are you seeing it? It's still buying. Do you understand? And this is where the current chart is now. See a lot of profits. So guys, don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others enjoy and change their trading history for good. Thank you.